Michelangelo. Michelangelo Simoni. Michelangelo's father was Ludovico Simoni, and his mother's name was Francesca. Michelangelo was never married. Michelangelo was born on March 6, 1475 in Caprice, known today as Caprice Michelangelo. Bertoldo di Giovanni was a famous sculptor who helped teach Michelangelo a lot of what he knows about sculpting. The picture there is one of his sculptures. Michelangelo's most known or most famous art pieces. David. He was just 26 when he sculpted David, standing at more than 13 feet tall. The work was sculpted from one piece of marble that another artist had started carving into another project, but then abandoned because the stone was structurally compromised. This did not deter Michelangelo, though he knew he had the skills to make the marble work for him. The creation of Adam. God extends his finger towards the hand of the newly minted man, Adam. About the Last Judgment, which is above the Sistine Chapel altar, dramatically depicts the second coming of Christ and the final judgment of all humanity. Pieta. Michelangelo sculpted it at the age of 23, when a French cardinal asked him to make it for his funeral monument. Moses. Moses was made shortly after Michelangelo made David, so around 26. Michelangelo is considered a Renaissance man. A Renaissance man is someone who is very skilled at many different things. In Michelangelo's case, he is extraordinarily good at sculpting, painting, architecture, and poetry. Michelangelo died February 18th, 1564. He lived to be 88, and he was still doing what he loved up until when he died. All the sculptures and paintings you saw throughout the slideshow were Michelangelo's, besides the one from Giovanni.